Rasta, hear me I say. You know see them juvenile and even grow right. You know see them juvenile and even know life. Quick to lick your head like piece of coke pipe. Not even know wrong, not even know right. You know see them juvenile that really force right. You know see them juvenile and even know life. Quick to lick your head like piece of coke pipe. Not even know wrong, not even know right. Big war broke out, them say it nice like I discuss. Who for run, we who no make it get a clip first. Bad man no trace like girl, we in a mix up. Them gonna beat sweet like the rhythm lands fix up. Them in a house, pan him name and girl a discuss. 21 piece like KFC where chips snuff. Can't life gone, but it's pretty try hard. Mama cry hard, sister cry, she cry. Still we have to die, poverty and poor. Yes, poverty and poor, poverty and more. Mess, poverty and poor, poverty and more. Stress, poverty and poor, poverty and poor. We just a knock down my door. This world is very dread-eye. Them want to say we dead eye. Shot in a way, them a spread, them a fled eye. My mama do the crying. Papa him a say why. To him juvenile, where they done gone, him a for say bye. My tired.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Dream team, one team.
Damn team.
See that?
Yeah, you know the great better drugs. You see me otherwise known as conscious there.
Yeah.
You know to my friend Mafia. Flavor.
Born Rasta and born Frost.
Girl them
Atras. And yeah, to my understanding, we have three at TrenchTown upcoming artists, them reggae artists, you know, in the music industry. And you know, there's a lot of talent here in TrenchTown, but we only can highlight them when we have a chance. We can highlight them because there's so much, you know. And you know, we have Van Ross and here with the next two artists, Flavor Ross, and you know, better drugs they here, you know. So, how kind of genre music do you normally do?
Yeah, man, you know, say, me, you know, a straight conscious, me deal with the Z and the ladies, them, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah,
you know,
dancer.
You know, we have the flavor, we have the whole of flavor, you know.
Yeah.
That's how we do the, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
My style, I'm a rap, sing DJ and everything.
Versatile. Everything. Yeah, man, because I'm going to give them all a preview, you know, and which part them can check out, which platform, you know. Because there's a lot of viewers watch this, and you never know who can out there, who can like what them hear. And you don't know what can happen after there, you know, because the talent of the highlight. So you don't know what they are highlight all the needs them same way. Music have needs too, you know, because it need help, it need promotion, it need to get out there. So the world can hear, you know. You know, so in everywhere from we hear same way. So we know which one we want to go first.
So this is the great better drugs again, you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, otherwise known as conscious, you see me? You see me? And you know, say, you can find me on YouTube, better drugs.
So I'm on a born and grow in TrenchTown too?
Yeah, so...
You as well to the one born and grow in TrenchTown. So it's all TrenchTown you will see me and still I try to make it out with the talent for them out. See me. With the drugs, you first I give them something?
Yeah.
Conscious.
Alright, conscious. And for the youths them, you know, we are think wise, you hear that? So, you got something like this. Yeah, I'm a conscious youth living a conscious life. More conscious kids with a conscious wife, with conscious boys and conscious girls. Yeah, more want a conscious world, yeah. Seems like them never hear you. Man, I say me, I tell you, don't bust no guns, no pick up no AK. Me tell you, send that and a conscious way. Listen, you man, I say me, I say, yeah. To all man, I move, me can't trust mankind. Me, I tell you, black card, the white mankind. Them a killing, look up at me, that is just not fine. Inna them, just what time, yeah. Me no want want hear say no more you can't find. And me no want see nobody down a train. The straight mankind are insane mankind. The whole of we are same mankind. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, man. You can find that on YouTube.
YouTube. So which name I go by? Better Jugs on YouTube.
Yeah, man. Better Jugs on YouTube.
So up on IG, on Instagram, Facebook.
Instagram, Better Jugs see me. Alright, on Facebook now. And Iron McLaughlin, that's my original name still, but that's a Facebook.
Yeah.
IG, Better Jugs.
Yeah, I like that conscious vibe there. Yeah, that song is nice.
Yeah, man, you can check it out, man. You see it and get it.
So right now it's there trending.
Yeah, man, right now it's depends.
And tell them which name to find it, which name to go by.
Better Jugs, man.
See
dial in Better Jugs, dial in Conscious World.
Conscious World.
You find it.
See it there.
Yeah, man, BETTA-DRUGZ, Better Jugs.
Yeah, so give them it slowly, I give me them ears, so you don't want them get the confusion.
What the song?
Now the name, Better Jugs.
BETTA, Better, DRUGZ, Jugs.
Oh, they say better.
Better.
Oh, better. You see, I mean, they are things are better.
Yeah, man, better.
Says better Jugs. Alright. No, because you have music, you know. You know music. Yeah, says better. And then Better Jugs, so basically the music of the Jugs, right? See, the kind of music, you know. It's very addictive.
So you know, so better at it, you see me?
Yeah. Alright, of course I can go a road. And see that we have flavor in the place. The Van Ross, same way.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Fully, you know.
Come down more night, the
Fully
Jugs.
productive, you understand?
Yeah.
Listen now, TrenchTown, this is my family and them place, you know all them places are there. So, I want thing I have to tell you, them say in a TrenchTown. Listen man, badness no going know what you're balling for. You chop a jail and you not see no friend and your mother you calling for. You, badness no going know what you're balling for. You chop a jail and you not see no friend and your mother you balling for. Him nah listen, so him never did a learn. No old time badness him say half him turn. And if you violate him, I go send it to the worm. Never look no job of him, go now him earn. He make people brain fly away like bird. But man him par with him no like nerd. No police hold him must scream like a girl. Mother did a one him and see him same girl. Flavor.
Tell you
them say hold it.
Yeah,
go to school, you know what I mean?
See, man. Positive, yeah. So the more I show about it, the positive idea,
you don't know
the
you
image.
can find me more page where you know your flavor in it, see?
So which name them can find you by on YouTube?
O'Neal Given say don't know my real name I use because people have to know say yo a real thing me I deal with him, but a flavor my face same way you can find me same way I have all the pop thing up the same way I use all of them.
On YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube, IG, Instagram, same thing, Facebook, anything, Twitter, just call me.
Flavor.
Yeah, I have my own thing, I have my number, you understand?
Sharper than the radio.
This is him sharper.
212, you know what I mean, 9277, just call me.
Yeah.
You see me, I'm my own thing, my friend, them friend, get to them, you get to me.
It's
You
the sharp.
understand?
Sharper than a razor, and we have Van Ross.
Van Ross.
You know, Van Ross. So we get the name of Van Ross.
That's the same name,
I say.
name Mario Van Ross, I'm name.
Okay, because we don't hear the Rasta, we are looking for a Rasta, you know, we don't hear the Van
Yeah, no,
Ross.
catch I'm real name, you know?
Yeah.
Name Rasta, I'm my last name. Mario is
Mr. Ross.
See it there? There's a Van Ross.
man, Mario Van first name, you see it?
So you say, yeah, I make them know I go on a new, one team them say, you
Real
know.
team, alright.
Real
Need team, you understand? In a TrenchTown, we need team.
Yeah.
Sure.
That I mash up the place right now. You see the high prayer?
Yeah.
You see it? Why pray? You see the
High
high prayer
prayer.
for make the whole TrenchTown and Jamaica crime free.
Yeah.
You understand?
Full of talk, you might be, see, that's why you have to make the talent flow out, you know, because I realize you're full of rhyme and things, you know. Make the world know, chew out.
Man, a Van Ross, you know, you hear me I say? You know see them juvenile and even grow right. You know see them juvenile and even know life. Quick to lick your head like piece of coke pipe. Not even know wrong, not even know right. You know see them juvenile that really force right. You know see them juvenile that even know life. Quick to lick your head like piece of coke pipe. Not even know wrong, not even know right. Big war broke out, them say it nice like hibiscus. Who for run, we who no make it get a clip first. Bad man no trace like gal, we in a mix up. Them gonna be it sweet like the rhythm lands fix up. Them in a house, pan him name and gal a discuss. 21 piece like KFC where chips snuff. Can't life gone by this
Flavor.
It not stop you, sir. It not stop you, sir.
Alright, it not stop you, sir. You know what I want?
Yeah.
TrenchTown full of poverty, we need some help and strength for the youth them can get explore the world right now.
Yeah.
You understand? Them cluster up too much in a one place.
True.
You understand? So one thing me come see in a TrenchTown and I gotta tell you about it. Miss feel poverty and poor, yes, my dying for see the progress. Buck up in a more mess, end up in a more stress. Friend want for see the progress. And shot a board chest, him up on the floor. Yes, he made it take a tour. Them want for see we feel load. Lock up in a jail load. Still we skin a pay load. No money for the bail load. All heap of time we try hard. Mama cry hard, sister cry, she cry. Still we have to die. Poverty and poor, yes, poverty and poor. Poverty and more mess. Poverty and poor. Poverty and more stress. Poverty and poor. Poverty and poor. We just a knock down my door. This world is very dread-eye. Them want to see we dead die. Shot in a way. Them have a spread. Them have a fled die. My mama do the crying. Papa him a say why. To him juvenile. Where they done gone. Him have to say bye. My tired of the killing. Be a blood spilling. Poverty a stress the poor. Them harder than a pigeon. If me rich forever giving help the poor me ever willing. Long life me love the livings like the end when it a begin. Poverty and poor. Poverty and poor.
Jeez, yo, the man lyrically inclined. Yo, the man bad. Van Ross. So we have the alien brain, man.
Yeah, man, and we do the right thing, man. And we organize every music in a TrenchTown.
Yeah.
You understand?
I get for final say you're there on the music industry long time.
Yeah.
There are a lot of artists
From
as
a
well.
tender year. The whole heap of thing what we say. And people just take it and go on with it because we not help, we not strength. We up and stay up our style, a TrenchTown people them style that and they make even popcorn himself come make a bag of money off of it.
Okay.
You understand? Whole heap of style. Well bad way here quarter with my style again. My nigga when name properly, Mafia. Properly a mafia. Quality them three youth there from remember them youth there. Them youth they know where everything I come from. Properly dead, that's why them take the style. You understand what I want, but I just saw it said. Nothing I do before the time, right? You understand?
True.
Yeah man.
I didn't know when the thing I go on and say it go, you know?
Yeah man, no
yeah.
joke, I just time.
We are suffer, you know?
Yeah man, time.
I'm a friend.
So what's it like, you know, it feel like growing up in TrenchTown, like going through all of these?
Yeah, TrenchTown, you know. TrenchTown give we a whole heap of things to think about. Because at the end of the day, we born comes to the same set of youth, them are born and grow with them one another, end up with a ton against them one another. Start kill them one another. I mean, I really like them energy there. You understand? So that if a teacher say, yo, soft answer turn it away right, and the more we can live in the love, better. Because Bob Marley said, together we're stronger, but divided we have a fall. You understand what I'm going? So that, a whole heap of things I learn. And right now, as I tell you, the youth them need some people for come give them a different, a positive influence. You understand? Because nobody not really there for the youth them lost to the world, and the only thing if them broke and hungry and there, and I see the gun where them can get easy access to. And that I give them easy access to things. You understand? And that them have a run to because we there do the good, you know, we get a more negative impact, but if we there do the bad,
they get more feedback
positive
after
impact
that.
we da get off of it. But we still do the work. I just send up on a mission, so I do the right thing. Not a competition. You understand? Not a
which is music, and we decide to make it music be the way, and it's the only way out.
Yeah man.
You know?
Right way.
You know, come sing, man.
Right
and,
way.
And it's the right way. I mean, I tell you, the talent we wanna have, you know, it needs to be recognized out there. You know, because
the amount of if you go for every street in a TrenchTown, you can see the musician them name. And I tell you something. Sufferation me see in the nation. Enough innocent me see in a station. 1 to the 7 when them kill a Britain from a pagan, me spray them out with a vegan. Revolution soon dissolution. Me no want go near them and them pollution. Them trick the nation, my invasion. You know what I mean?
Yeah, true. It's no joke, cause you know it's what you go through. You know, it really inspire you to go and do what you want to do. Because the negative could have make you sing a negative song because you see
True.
So you try to do the positive now if you elevate the youth mind and say,
Because
yo.
the music is more like a message.
Yeah.
So right now we don't really want to send no negative energy. Negative message I give the youths them right now.
Yeah.
We want to give them a positive
So,
mindset.
So how them can get to check you up on any platform, YouTube, Instagram or Facebook?
Alright, Avan straight in a VAUN, that Avan space ROSS.
Okay, so
Any platform.
any platform.
Yeah.
So.
You can use Mario Raspan on Instagram. No, Mario Raspan Facebook.
Yeah.
Yeah.
True,
use
Mario
my real
Ras.
name on Facebook, Mario Ras.
So you have a lot of things out there right now them can go and see.
Yeah, couple things well out there, man, but as we say, we don't need a management team and we need some producers and some investors. As long as we can get that, we're alright.
Yeah. Just put in the work.
Yeah, we there put in the work always, non-stop.
For a long time.
From awake, dark morning I work I put in till sun
True,
gone down
true.
again. Dark.
Alright,
Work I
then.
put
Early
in.
and kill the sun on our
Yeah,
road.
man.
Alright, then so we're going to leave them off with one more song each if you don't want. You know, we can start
Me
off
and
back
the G I
with.
do a combination.
But yeah, man, alright, so we're going to go off with flavor first then.
Flavor.
Yeah, flavor.
You see in a TrenchTown, and one thing me I tell people, you know what, boy, better days, I pray. Father, won't you show them the way? Babylon not stop, lead the people, they must stray. Better days, I pray. Father, won't you show them the way? Flavor.
Flavor.
Them
Them want we reach nowhere. Them not really want we reach nowhere.
That them no want, you know?
Father, we see it so clear. Say them no want we reach nowhere. Hey, them no want we reach nowhere. And them not really want we reach nowhere. The youths them see it so clear. Say them no want we reach nowhere. Hey, we try for look at work and them no give me none. Enough to get a look of money, them a give me gun. I know me end up in a jail and me no see no funds. Nobody figure you no visit, you no see no one. Hey, them never look for see.
I get to youth when him a try. Every local thing you do, them run and come and criticize. And them will stab you on your back and look you in your eyes. They give them all the trust and sorry when you realize. Hey, say them no want we reach no way. And them no really want we reach no way.
True.
Father, we see it so clear. Say them no want we reach no way. Hey, some go so far that way. Them want to hold you down no matter how hard you try. Watch out your business like them now have a life. Now watch for them won't make them can't survive.
Give them the strength and motivation and them same wanna bring you down. You turn your back in a grave, them a fling you down. And them will beat you like a slave and a give
your gun.
Babylon them full of dirty ways.
When it's in my down, hey, them no want we reach no way. Them no really want we reach no way.
Sure. That tune that it need for out there. It must out there by now. You say not out there yet? No yet. So in a record yet? Okay, so see you enough for goodness you don't get that record, you know, cause remember, you know, you know, forget that copyright. You know it go already, cause that sound like
the dream team, you hear that?
Real
Get the thing the most.
As we say, the youth them in a TrenchTown need team. So from the dream team, you see it a we team.
Yeah.
Understand?
And a
Real
straight
team.
and a lean team.
Oh, genuine, straight.
The lead team.
Oh,
Yeah, man.
you know say one team.
Yeah, one team, one dream.
Alright then.
Yo,
Big up on yourself, sir.
Dig up yourself in the team.
Every time, you know it's man.
Hear that?
Yeah, man, lead the right flavor.
Flavor, I don't know what is it.
You know what thing go
Flavor, the whole and
sharper than razor.
Man, that's that. Hear that?
here.
Remy in the kitchen cooking chicken, make it work. So we tell them we
Can make it work.
can make it work.
Imal is making it work.
Yeah, Remy making it work right now in the kitchen, cooking chicken. You know, I make it work. You know the thing. We say more frying and baking. And whoa. There is here without fear. Whoa, very plain up on him love. I love New York, not once.
Look at twice. Me I feel better now. So
Twice.
Yeah, man. I've got not feet, you know, see that?
Twice.
Oh, see there?
Yeah, man.
I'm going to think, man.
One New York, one love, you know. So Jamaica, Everything.
Let's say, oh, pan on the fridge.
Yeah.
Wow, look on the wall. Look on the wall chef fridge. Brooklyn. I love New York. But imagine when they go New York, wow. Them can't hold them, man, because the owner of New York a touchdown. When them see the owner of New York touching down. Yeah. Right now. So right now, can't bother to eat. Yeah. Jude. You know? Yeah. Not once but twice. Sure. Them have soup. And you have a New York on your feet. You see, let them know. Jesus Christ. See it there. New York on the feet. What up again? I said not once but twice. Yes, not once but twice. See it there. Yeah.
Too much New York.
It's not too late. It's not too late. Alright then, whoa. Alright, New York, I'm so forward back to the New York. You know? Yeah. And we have the prefect. The prefect, I know the prefect. Yeah, the only prefect. I know the prefect wasn't here the other day when time the team got some donation as well too. Our understanding it wasn't in the community, you know. So prefect that road. Country me say that.
Country there, no. I'll make it work.
I make it work.
Yeah, I know we go to make it work.
Of course. Work. It have to work. Anyway at all. I could have plant the yam, banana and everything and make it work. So prefect. So we get some donation with some listed name as well too from Oliver and Carla. So we got some listed name and your name was on the list as well too. From Oliver and Carla. So we'd have $3,000 for you from Oliver and Carla. You know Oliver and Carla, right? You know? So I'm saying must tell you, say yo, the prefect, the man said lift my hats off to the prefect, you know, because when he was here, the man said never for an inch, you know, you make him feel like say yo, in the short of this or short of that, you know, you're always there to present. Oliver, you're alright, Carla, you're alright, you know, the man said really appreciate that, you know. I really appreciate and put it hats off to you.
Yeah man, Oliver and Carla, I appreciate it man. Only for thanks. Even though the Christmas gone, I hope you full joy. New Year, only for love, enough prosperity, same way.
Yeah.
Enough thanks, only for respect. Cause I don't know, that's what we're here for. Make it work. Kino give you the job to be the prefect, so we have to do the right thing. Can't let down Kino nor the team.
True,
so we appreciate it. Only for love again. Enough thanks.
And that is from our also would have some donation as well for the team from Star from Bronx. So we have 2,000 each from Star from Bronx. So this is you, 2,000 for you from Star from Bronx.
Star from Bronx. Only for thanks. Enough respect. I hope your Christmas was good. Only for respect and enough thanks. And bless up yourself for the new year. Only for prosperity. Only for life. Thanks again.
Yeah, every time. Big up yourself, Star from Bronx. You know, as well you could say you're a star from the ground, you're a star in the sky.
Yeah man.
You know, so you're a universal star.
All the way.
So we have another donation as well too from this is from Patrick from Canada, which is Patrick from Canada, 3,000 each, you know, for the members as well, so he wasn't here. So we have $3,000 here for you from Patrick from Toronto, Canada.
Patrick from Toronto, Canada.
Yeah
man, we appreciate it enough. Yeah man, and only for respect man. Yeah.
and give thanks to all the donor them. Now I'm going to look out for me, but for the whole team.
Yeah.
And we appreciate it. And I'm going to hope your Christmas was good. And to make your New Year's more prosperous, just stay safe and just continue to do the right thing. Enough love, only for respect. Thanks again.
Alright, we give thanks. We give thanks, Patrick. Blessings, Patrick, and Patrick. Where was I now? Pete and Dana. It wasn't here as well for Pete and Dana. Pete and Dana. So from 2005 from Pete and Dana as well to from the US. So this is from Pete and Dana as well to from the US.
Pete and Dana from the US. Can't thank you enough. They are looking out for the dream team while we are doing the good work. Yeah, I appreciate it. Enough thanks. Holy for love. Yeah. Just hope on the New Year's will be prosperous and safe. Bless up on yourself. Thanks again.
Pete and Dana. Alright, so blessings from Pete and Dana. I will also have another one where it's 3,000 each for the members them. From Amber Awards from the USA. This is Amber Awards, which is 3,000 each, and it wasn't here, so this is for your 3,000 from Amber Awards.
Amber Awards, you don't know, so Amber is same way, you have to do it, same way, humble.
Yeah, Amber. Yeah.
So only for respect, enough thanks, and we appreciate everything that each and every one of you do for us. Thanks again. And only for love, enough prosperity for the New Year. Thanks.
Yeah. So we give thanks. So that's all the donation, you know, that's been put down for you in the sea. Yeah. You know, well locked up in the vault. I know the prefect is here, so we give thanks to all the donors then that reach out to the members then over the Christmas period. So thank you so much. You know, you make the Christmas more festive. God, we give thanks, you know, so everybody's happy as a word, say. Everyone happy and everyone appreciate. No matter how small, we give thanks. So we say dream team, one team, and it's the only real team. Right? Alright then.
Appreciate to each and every donor. When the New Year's come, all heap of love, enough respect, hats off to each and every donor. Thanks again for support you. Asking you to support you, see me right through 2022 and continue to do the good work to help who more needed than we. Appreciate each and every one of you. And thanks again. Enough love. Prosperity when the New Year comes. Bless up on yourself. All donors.
Thanks.
Yeah, thanks.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.